Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage dual connection for your headphones Sony XM6. So right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and second do not have an application and also do not connect it with a headphones. So you need to open Sony Sound Connect application on your first device, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu. Now we need to scroll down and go to device settings, then click at the system at the middle top, and firstly you need to enable dual connection. So make sure that this slider have colorful background. Right now I have empty background on this slider because it disabled. So to enable it, just tap on it one time, then click OK, and now we're just waiting until these headphones are connecting to the application. Now scroll down, and right here in the main menu we have connected devices, and as you can see we have only one phone. So we can connect these headphones with a second device, and we have a few options how to make it. The first one, let's open the Bluetooth. So go to the settings, connected devices or Bluetooth, and if you have Android, click pair new device. If you have Apple device, just stay in the Bluetooth. After that we can or click connect new device and our headphones enter to pairing mode, or we can turn off and turn on these headphones and then enter pairing mode by press and hold this power button. So you firstly press and hold it to turn off it, and then press and hold it to enter pairing mode. Now I'm going to use a button in the application, and now as you can see we see these headphones as the device list on our second device, so tap on it and then click pair. Okay, and now as you can see we have both of devices here, and both of these devices connected with the headphones simultaneously. Now what we can do right here, we can of course disconnect second device in the application. So right here click at the three dots, and to disconnect click at the disconnect. Okay, and now as you can see we disconnected it, but we still have it at the device list, so we can click on it and reconnect it, and again as you can see we have connection. Also we can remove this phone from the application by press the three dots and then cancel registration. But before on it we can change playback device. So right now it played from this iPhone, and if I want to swap it to the Pixel, I just press these three dots and then click switch playback. And as you can see, okay, we have it. Now we can cancel registration by click on it and then okay. And as you can see we did it. And now if we trying to reconnect to the application by pressing it at your second device, you cannot doing it. So I recommend it to remove it from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.